Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Litchi milkshake. Start by peeling and pitting about 12 litchis, then blend them with chilled milk, sugar to taste, and ice. If you prefer a creamier texture, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a splash of condensed milk. Taste and adjust sweetness, then serve cold with a garnish of mint or a whole litchi on the rim. Make sure your blender and serving glasses are cold before you begin to keep the shake frosty longer. Prepare a bowl of peeled and seeded litchis ready to go, and measure milk and sweetener nearby. For better aroma, lightly crush a cardamom pod and add it while blending. Blend on medium-high until fully smooth, then pulse with ice if you want a slushier consistency for a refreshing. Pour your freshly blended litchi milkshake into chilled glasses and add a garnish like mint or a whole litchi for contrast. If serving to guests, consider a small straw and a short spoon to enjoy any fruit bits. For a richer treat, use whole milk or ice cream, and for a lighter option, use almond or oat milk. Serve immediately for optimal creaminess and coldness, and enjoy with a snack or dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.